You know, sometimes really great solutions do come in small packages, and I think that's especially true with this hanging system. With it, you can hang just about anything on the wall. Heavy, light, large or small, it really doesn't make any difference. I can't imagine how it could be easier.
The heart of the system is this double-headed screw called a bear claw hanger. The screw has a self-tapping tip and specially designed threads. No pilot hole is required. Just press the sharp tip into the wall and start turning using a handheld Phillips screwdriver. The coarse, deeply cut threads hold up to 30 pounds in drywall. The first head contacts the wall, stopping the screw at just the right spot. The second head serves as a protruding hanger that captures and holds the picture wire. The hanging system comes with this small bubble level that sits on top of the frame, and these special adhesive pads to keep the picture from tipping. Peel off the protective backing, stick the pad to the wall behind the picture, pull off the front protective strip, and gently press the frame into contact with the pad. This is a new and improved version of the popular sawtooth hanger. Its simple one-piece design eliminates the need for nails. Instead, these barbs or prongs, which are part of the hanger itself, are simply driven into the back of the picture frame. Now, what's the easiest way to hang something with sawtooth hangers exactly where you want it? By using these locators. Just slip one into a sawtooth hanger and use a piece of masking tape to hold it in place temporarily. Position the picture where you want it and press the locator into the wall. The locator will leave a mark showing exactly where to put the first double-headed hanger. Then insert a second locator on the opposite side. Hang the picture on the first hanger, level it, press the second hanger into the wall, remove the picture, screw in the second hanger, and hang. This locator is designed to be used with D-rings. Place the locator inside the ring, secure it temporarily with tape, put the picture where you want it, press, drive in the hanger. Install the second locator, hang, level, press, and drive in the second hanger.
Now, as useful as these locators are with sawtooth hangers and D-rings, well, they really shine when it comes to hanging objects that have these keyhole hangers.
Insert the locator into the keyhole. Tape it temporarily in place and press the object against the wall. Now, keyhole hangers can be used with double-headed screws. However, I prefer to install a threaded drywall anchor. Then drive a panhead screw into the anchor. The advantage to this method is that I can adjust the screw in or out to pull the object tightly against the wall for a secure fit.
So whether you're working with wire, sawtooth hangers, D-rings, or keyholes, well, this is a system that can pretty much handle it all.